guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn the basic concepts of Hypertext Markup Language, which is in short known as HTML. Hypertext Markup Language is the standard markup language for documents designed to be displayed in a web browser. It can be assisted by technologies such as cascading style sheets and scripting languages such as JavaScript. Now let us go to the features of HTML language. It is easy to learn and easy to use. It is platform independent. Images, video and audio can be added to a web page. Hypertext can be added to the text, and it is a markup language. Let us in short get to know about the structure of a HTML program. In HTML we commonly use tags. Here as you can see, HTML at the starting will be the starting tag, and at the end of the file you have a ending tag. For every ending tag you have a slash before the word of that particular tag. So starting of a HTML file should start with HTML and end with /HTML. And later you have the head part where the title document will be inserted in that as required. And later we have the body part where you insert the main content of the program which you wanted to write. Let us get into the benefits of HTML language. It is freedom from App Store restrictions. It has cross-platform or device support. It has CSS3 based animations. It has advanced UI components. It has geolocation service support. It has video and audio streaming support, and it has offline support. These are the benefits which I am going to tell about HTML5 because this is the present upgrading version which we are going to use in our day-to-day life. Now let us get into the disadvantages of HTML programming language. HTML can create only static and plain pages, so if we need dynamic pages then HTML is not so useful. I need to write a lot of code for making a simple web page, which is a bit difficult. Security features are not good at HTML. If we need to write long code for making a web page, then it produces some complexity. Thank you. For more interesting videos, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon.